Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. So the module will become ready the week before on Friday, and the week 2 module is from February 8th to the 14th. So the first thing you'll see is this video under week 2. Next is our chapter 2 lecture. So I have the video lecture and I also have the PowerPoint for you to download. I also have some genetics videos that I would like you guys to watch, and I talk about them in the PowerPoint. So this one is about genetic inheritance, and this one is about fertilization. So I really think it'll um, give you a little bit extra information regarding this week's content. And then as always, when you're done with the lecture and watching the videos, here is the link to take your Chapter 2 quiz, and that will be due Sunday before midnight. Now, this week we have 2 discussion boards, so it's a little bit more entailed this week, but I believe this is the only week when you have 2 discussion boards. So the class discussion is about theorists, but not the theorists from our textbook. So I have added some female theorists who have contributed to psychology, to human development, to child development. So I provided 10 of them here, and each of them has their own link. You don't have to only use that site for information. You can search on your own, but you want to choose one of the following 10 females. Let us know who they are, their contribution to psychology and or human child development, and if you find a video clip or something that you want to share with us, that would be great. So hopefully this will give us all some information about female theorists that we don't know. And then remember to please post your response and your reply to at least 2 other students by Sunday. So you can do that in written form, or you can record yourself and upload a video. Okay, so this will be due Sunday and it's 5 points. Now let's look at the My Virtual Child discussion. So each of you are in a My Virtual Child discussion group, and as you can see, I have different groups set up here. So it should only be connected to you and the other students that are in your group. So for this week's discussion, you're getting started before you start raising your child. So next week, you're going to set up your virtual child. This week, we're going to get some of the details handled so you can start raising your child. So number 1, each group member needs to decide on a number. You're either number 1, number 2, or number 3. And once everyone in your group has chosen a number, and again, each one of you needs to be a different number, I will let you know which parenting style your number represents. So this is going to be random. You do not get to choose your parenting style. It will be assigned to you. So remember, just choose 1, 2, or 3. It's first come, first serve. So if other students have already posted, make sure to read their posts before you select your number. Number 2 is you need to think of a culture you would like to raise your child in. The program is not able to incorporate culture, so we add it in. You do not have to have the same culture as your group members. Each of you are raising your child individually, so it doesn't matter what other group members are. It could be your actual culture, it could be a culture you want to learn more about. It's very open. So I gave 2 example cultures here you can read about. And again, have these conversations within the forum. Again, you can write them out or you can post videos, but this week we're going to get to know each other and find out what your parenting style is. So please follow up on both discussion boards. And then lastly, the last link here will be upcoming assignment details for week 3 and week 4, just so you can be thinking about it, maybe even get started if you'd like. So creating your virtual child, this is a video that will walk you through that. As long as you don't start raising your child before you know your parenting style, you could go ahead and create your child. It is, like I said, due week 3. And then week 4 is the empirical summary assignment. So I have a video here walking you through the assignment. I have a library tutorial to help you find articles. And then here is the details for the assignment, a sample, and the sample article that was used. Now be aware this sample is very lengthy. The student went above and beyond in summarizing their article. Yours does not have to be that long, but again, should be in depth on the article that you chose. So, as always, you can look at the syllabus, but good luck this week and email me with any questions for week 2.